everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It is great to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the felt hanging ornaments. It is a decoration you may be familiar with because it is an old product in new version. For this product, we have 5 shapes: rectangle, square shape, oval, round, heart. And this product can be used in sublimation printing and direct-to-film printing, which have different effects. It can decorate your home and your car because it can be perfumed like this. It will be an amazing ornament in your car. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For the templates, I make them 3 mm wider than its actual size. They are common shapes, so it is not difficult to print and design. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kinds of design will be suitable for it. You can design it freely because it is simple shape. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, make sure your important image or text is in the safety area, the orange area. Otherwise, your design will be partially missing. Second, for heat press, if you want to do full print design like this, we suggest that your background is fitting or larger than the printing area, the blue area, for easier printing. That will help you to match your printing position. Third, for DTF, if you want to do full print designs like this, we suggest that your design is fitting or not larger than the safety area, the orange area, for easier printing. Otherwise, you may need to cut the extra part by scissors and get the true result. The last one, you can see that there is a hole on the top for a loop. So your important elements are far from this hole will be better. Otherwise, your printing will unfortunately become like this. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below, or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us. Let's make life memorable.